Hi everyone. Here we're going to go through the steps required to calculate the area of a circle. To calculate that area of the circle, you need to be aware of a formula and how to apply that formula. So often in a situation you might be given the diameter or width of a circle. So if that's the case, you'll need to have that distance to get the radius, as is animated here now. So once we have the radius, we will be applying the formula which is radius squared multiplied by pi. And as you can see the pi symbol there, you will get that on your scientific calculator. If you look here, we're using an example where the radius of the circle is 5 meters and we apply that formula there, and that's our answer just arriving there. I'll also run through how it operates when you use the calculator, highlighted in yellow there, each of the buttons as you press them, and you can see the result coming on the screen there. You'll note there that you had to hit the shift button on the top left hand corner to get the pi option down along the bottom row there of your calculator. Try that out. I've also included some examples here for you to test yourself against, basically. So I've given two examples coming up here now. Try those two examples, and if you come up with the correct answer, then you know you have applied the formula correctly. If not, write down the steps you took, so as when you give those steps to your instructor or teacher, they will be able to identify where you had an issue. Okay.